Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by defining what matters. Pick the primary metrics and import a CSV or JSON sample so you design to real content. Once done, set a 12-column grid and a 16px baseline to keep spacing consistent across cards. Make frames for header, sidebar, content, and footer now. This gives structure and speeds layout decisions. While you work, name layers clearly so components stay reusable. This first step prevents rework and keeps proportions predictable as you iterate. Now you construct the middle. Create reusable components for cards, charts, filters, and tables so you can update once and propagate changes. Use auto layout and variants to handle dynamic content and set constraints to preserve alignment when the frame resizes. Apply a typography scale and color tokens. This ensures visual hierarchy and accessibility. As you assemble the dashboard, preview with real data and adjust spacing. This step ties visual rules to interaction and makes iteration fast and consistent. Finish by prototyping interactions. Link filters, hover states, and loading behaviors so you validate flow. Once done, export design specs, tokens, and assets for developers, and test the layout at 1024 x 768 and mobile widths to catch responsive issues. Make sure microcopy clarifies actions and accessibility labels exist. If things go wrong, check constraints, overflow, and color contrast first. These are the usual culprits. Finally, iterate based on feedback and lock the core components to prevent accidental edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.